Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about an interesting thing, interesting technology like of facts in this video. So that is on October 15th, that is on yesterday, Google officially had an event which was completely on live, like online. So the event is named as Google Search Event. So in this event, Google launched many of their new features, new updates and so in this event, they launched a new feature. So what is that feature is, from now onwards you can find any songs, like you can search for any songs with help of just humming. In the sense, if you don't know any lyrics, like if you don't know even a single word of that song, but you still remember the rhythm or like the background music or anything, if you just hum, you're going to get the dedicated, like which song you want, you're going to get it. So this is what the base new feature which Google has brought in the market. So we are going to talk about like its additional features and everything in this video. So the first thing is like how can I enable it. So the enabling features are quite easy. Like just you have to update your Google Assistant and Google app. So this Google app is just go to your Play Store. It is already being installed in your phones. You have to just again update it. That's it. Then after update, when you just open it, there will be a Google Assistant option for you, just an option. Just click on that, you will get a direct option, search for a song. You can just click there and it will start listening like your assistant and you can start humming. So this is the base easiest way. So or else if you want more, you can just go, you make use of Google Assistant. So you can just click on Google Assistant and you have to just give a command, hey Google, what's this song? So that's it. So if you give this command, automatically this same procedure will be followed. In the sense, the same page will be opened where Google Assistant will start listening and you can start humming. So this is what the base technology is, like how it's going to work and how you can enable it. But still, if you want to go into like a different approach, then Google has come up with the idea of Vigilance. So Vigilance in the sense, like for example, like nowadays if you're using any type of phones, for offing your mobile data or airplane mode, Wi-Fi hotspot or any sort of things, you have to just scroll on top of your screen where you'll be having list of options where you'll start choosing. So like if you don't want to simply scroll your top screen and choosing those options, what most of the people they'll do is they'll just go for a customized vigilance, which is being available in all phones. You can keep those widgets, like just go to settings, there will be widgets, or just hold your wallpaper like that screen for like 1 to 2 seconds. You'll be getting list of options below like settings, wallpapers and widgets. Just click on widgets, you'll be having plenty of options like camera. You can have Wi-Fi, like if you click on Wi-Fi, you'll be having like a small Wi-Fi circle symbol on your screen. That's it. Like in the sense, like you don't have to simply scroll on top of your screen and so that option will be dedicated. It will be available straight on your main home screen. So that's it. So for this, Vigilance has again been brought in this hum. That's it. So for this, what you have to do is again you have to go to Google, just go to settings, just click on Vigilance. There you'll be having a dedicated search for song with help of hum symbol. So you can just keep it as Vigilance if you want it and if you're using on a daily purpose and so. So these three options Google is giving you to find these songs, and the ways are quite easy. So these are the first things which you have to know. So coming to the next thing is how this thing works, like how Google is doing it. So it is basically, it works purely on AI. So that is artificial intelligence. So what this system does is it just converts our audio signals, like audio sounds, to a number based sequence models. So this is what the main thing is. So our sounds are just converted into sequence models, and where for those people who doesn't know AI, so AI is basically it is just simply a machine. That's it. It doesn't have any knowledge, it doesn't have anything, it doesn't know anything. So what you are going to do is you're going to give knowledge to that machine. So that is what basically this AI is on the baseline. In the sense, you can start teaching the machine on what purpose you want. So like if you want to identify, if you want to make the machine to identify whether the given picture is cats or dogs, then you have to give him a list of like photos of dogs and cats where it will start learning it. It will start analyzing it. It is named as CNN networks and so. That is a huge topic, but I'll just make it like small, like just a crisp crisp thing is like you have to give a set of data to it, like a pre-analyzed data. Then if you're showing any images to it, like for going for an experiment purpose, then it will scan that image and it will start analyzing with the data which is being given to it by you. In the sense, if you're giving 100 images of dogs, then if you're showing any like some new dog photos to it, it will scan it and it will analyze only with that 100 images and it will come to a result. In the sense, it will not go more than that 100. So that's what this AI does. So here also that same thing they're using, but instead of this dogs and cat photos, they are coming with sounds, like they are coming with songs which is available in all over the world. So they are coming with songs, tracks, tunes, BGMs, any party songs, DJ mix, all sorts of things, even tones like phone tunes and so they are coming with all possible ways where like our like normal people can remember some type of hums, like some type of tunes. So they're just using those things and they gave this AI, like this machine, the full AI which they can possibly ever give. So like this is quite good. So in the sense, like you'll pakka get your song recognized. So you have to just hum it and it will just change those audios to this sequence numbers and it will start analyzing with its data which is already given to it, and it will come to a conclusion like the results, and the results will be shown in a list of options. In the sense, it will show almost like 7 to 8 list of songs which is almost similar to your hummings, so which is quite good. And each song in its list will come with a priority, like a preference, like how much percentage is your humming is equal to this song. So that's quite good. And to be practical, which I personally like, I want to say here is I did an experiment with this hum for search, and it is probably working out. And like probably if you're going for English songs, it is quite getting the results are quite good. Whereas if you go for Tamil, like my mother tongue, then where some of the songs are not even recognized, it is saying like try again later and so like those people who want to try it out, I'll just give you a suggestion to go with English songs right now. But still, Google has given an official statement that they have primarily they have added 20 languages in it, but there is not an official list like what are the 20 languages. So like I can't give you like an assurance like whether Tamil is there or not, but please do try it out with your mother tongues and stuff. And suppose if it is working out in this humming process and then I would suggest you to just comment below so that we'll just get to know like which are those 20 languages. But still, it is working quite good for almost all English songs. I tried even 90s, 80s, MJ songs and all those things. But still, it's working on. I tried 2020, 2019 songs. So almost everything is coming, and the preferences which is coming in the list almost comes with your song. In the sense, the top preference may or may not be your song. Like, but if you're getting like 7 to 8 preferences, if you just listen to all those 8 songs, pakka the song which you need is almost been there. So that's what my personal like experience, what I got from this hum on search. So that's it. So this is like full thing about this future, and this future is going to be so useful for lots of people, because nowadays, like if you just see any social medias or anything, they are coming with some trending songs where that trending songs is not even our recognized language. We don't even know a single word about the language, but still we are listening to those types of songs nowadays. So keeping that thing in mind, I think so like Google have come up with that idea. So like nowadays you don't have to worry about it like whether you don't know a single word of the song. If you just remember the tune or maybe the BGM or anything of the song, you can just hum right now and you can find that song. So that is quite good. And in future, I think so like Google will come up with lots more languages and lots more creative things. Now it is like a base thing. So that's it, like on the test purposes. So on my personal request, like my personal suggestion on this future is so awesome. It is quite good. I would suggest you to give it a shot. So coming to the final thing is this AI. Like what I told you is like if you want to know more about this AI things, Google has also officially launched a blog for it. Like their full AI recognition teams, how they are working on the CNN and stuff. I'll put that link in the description. Like who are interested in this AI and so I would suggest you to go for it. And if you want to know about this hum or for search thing, they also launched like this thing is also available in Google's official blog. I'll put the link for it, and they have officially launched in YouTube video. So I'll put that video's link also in the description. So please go through it. You will get a good vibe, like good technology, good search improvement. So that's what I want to finally say here. So this is the end of this video, and if you have any doubts related to it, please comment below. I'll pakka reply to it. So hope so you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. So like this content, I'll just meet you in the next video. So till then, peace from K Square. Bye.